Hello muffins, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today's video is about a DIY craft foam bag. The materials that you require for this project are craft foam in pink, white and green color, some kind of strong glue, velcro, a waste paper to draw your template, pen, ruler and scissors, and lastly some beads for decoration. Take your paper and mark 6 inches for the height of the bag. Then mark 8 inches for the width of the bag. Add an additional 2 inches on the top for the height. This is where we will draw the handle of the bag. Cut this piece out. Now fold the piece into half to demarcate the middle line. Start drawing your design on one of the sides. I'm drawing a sort of a round bag. I will also draw the handle of the bag like so. Now go ahead and cut your design. I'm tracing this design on some pink craft foam. Now I will go ahead and cut it. You need 2 of these pieces for the front and back. For the sides of the bag, you need a piece of foam that is 16 inches in length and 3 inches in width. I have marked half an inch on either side for the seam allowance. I will now go ahead and cut fringes in this piece so that I can glue it easily to the bag. First, I'm going to glue the strip to the bottom of the bag. This will make it easier to glue the rest of the strip to the bag. I'm gonna put in some glue on the sides like so and then pinch it together. This will give the bag a tapering shape. Repeat the same on the other side. I have now cut thin pieces of white foam and I will glue it to the edges of the bag like so. This will give it a neater look. You can also use some sort of decorative lace or ribbon. Since I did not have it, I decided to use foam. Now cut a piece of white foam measuring an inch in width and approximately 3 inches in length and glue it to the bag like so. Glue the piece of velcro to the strip like so. I cut some floral shapes from pink and white foam to decorate the bag. I then glued the flower to the bag. I also cut some leaves from green foam and I will be gluing it next to the flower. I also cut some smaller white leaves which I will glue on the green leaves. Made a bow with pink and green felt which I will glue on the strip. I also glued a bow to the back of the bag, and I have ensured that I covered all the edges in white foam to make it neat. Lastly, I'm going to add some decorative beads to the bag. Your bag is now ready. This is a great DIY bag idea for kids. You can also use this bag at kids' parties to hold the return gifts. I love this bag so much that I'm planning to make a bigger version for me with some strong fabric. Thank you for watching. Hope you all liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.